WTI, and I just did the biggest hike of my life, and I was so glad to have these walking sticks by my side. And to help me undertake this great challenge, I had along with me these Aihoye purple hiking sticks. They are so nice. It comes in this nice carry case. The design is extremely simple, but very thoughtful. You were able to adjust the straps if you needed to, depending on your personal comfort. It was so easy to wrap your hand around. It was so comfortable. To open and close, to extend it, you have to twist to where it says to open or to close, and you can adjust it to the height that you need. Fully extended, it goes to about 51 inches. Works for varying heights. It worked really well for me. It was very comfortable. When it's fully collapsed, it goes to about 25 inches. You could keep it in the bag, or you can put it in the back of your backpack easily if you're not wanting to use them. It gives so many great advice on if you're going up, going down. It's got shock absorption, so it doesn't wear on your arms. It has many different attachments for terrain, for snow, for ice, or for sand and mud. I used primarily the feet that was good for dirt terrain and really made this huge hike possible. I definitely highly depended on these towards the end of my hike. I was so happy I had these. They made such a huge difference. And that's my point of view.